Hi, everyone, and welcome to day 39 of the Feathered Quest. Today's bird is the American robin. American robins exist in healthy numbers at this time, but they were one of the first species found to be affected by DDT use in the mid-1900s. As a result of their mass mortality events, scientists were able to fully study and determine DDT's disastrous effects on birds. Let's go find that daily feather. Well, thanks for coming along with me today, guys. Remember, you are loved and the world is full of wonder. So, did we find our bird of the day?